Bula! Hey everybody! Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we have an incredible rental property for you today on Denarau Island, crown jewel of Fiji, about 15 minutes from the international airport. Hello, look at that pool. Master suite with the loungers just waiting for you. Look at that, you and your spouse. Boom, boom, right there. 2 rooms upstairs for the family members. Bathroom up there, ensuite down here, and there's even a half bath for guests. So come on, this is a no-brainer. 3-bed, 2-bath, fully furnished, self-contained rental with a double car enclosed garage. You got it. And yes, a little work room here. Bring your tools. You want to clean the fish here before you get to the kitchen. Industrial roller shade so you can bring in bigger tools and things if you're just got to do a little work while you're here in Fiji. Here's that pool again. Just beautiful entryway, gorgeous colors. Just today is just, you got to feel the breeze here. It's incredible today. Here's the laundry room, industrial sink, lots of storage in this house too. Big, big positive. Walk with me. I'm going to show you this great room. You're going to love this. Look at that. Pendant lights, recessed lighting. Look at the ceiling fans, incredibly huge air cons, so everyone's going to be cool here in Fiji. Microwave, dishwasher, double sink, granite island, which is huge. Extra storage by the fridge over there. 4 gas burner stovetop with the vent hood and the oven, uppers and lowers. I mean, if you are a chef, you love to cook and be in the kitchen and you want to watch the kids, this is perfect. And not only that, you have all this beautiful Pacific green furniture that's made right here in Fiji. But look at this, you have a beautiful, huge pass-through right there. You can drop off drinks and food right there while everybody's enjoying the swimming pool. So this is a very family-friendly, very convenient home. Should definitely be near the top of your list if you're coming here looking to rent a home, tiled throughout. Let's get another look. Here's the flat screen TV, all your streaming services, Netflix, Sky TV. Here is another view right there. Isn't that beautiful? All right, walk with me. We're just getting started here. So upstairs, we're going to go here in a second. This is that half bath. So it's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There's the half bath for guests. And you know you're going to have people coming in and wanting to entertain and enjoy seeing you here in Fiji. There's the master walk-in pantryway here. All the wardrobe clothes that you're going to have. Great toilet area. Beautiful tile work in here as well. Very, very nice tile work. And this master bath opens up to this nice little courtyard area. You can see this is something that you can put in some additional plants. We have somebody that will actually custom make a garden for you. So if you're into gardening, that's something that we can actually help you with as well. Part of our concierge services, double sinks, always a big positive. Here's another bonus for the master suite. For those of you who like me, like doing some work, maybe you want to have a nice chaise lounge in here. There's that courtyard again. TV in here, you could put in a home office or a lounger, meditation room, prayer room. Great place to put in personal belongings or some books. So this master really, really ticks a lot of boxes for people, especially when you come out here and you can just plop into one of these loungers or just jump right in there. You have a nice sandy area here too with the tiki torches, covered patio that all opens up to the living area. This home is really nice. Okay, linen closet here. Let's go upstairs. Fantastic wood. Love lots of the natural woods here in Fiji. More storage. Here is the bathroom upstairs. Again, more storage and nice tile work. There's that shower stall. And I'm going to come up here. So first bedroom is just here. And you can see they made these extra large. So you have extra sitting area. You can do your bring in some own furniture. But it's not a lot of these cramped bedrooms you see here. This is a really big one. And you have the mirrored door with the built-ins. And yes, the air con, because we all want to be cool in Fiji. More storage. Here's that second bedroom upstairs. Built-ins, big closet with the mirrored doors. And then you have the palm tree views in that pool. There's that sand over there. You literally have the beach right here. So it's so cool. We're not done yet. Come with me. We're almost there. You're going to want to learn more about this. Go to professionalsfiji.com and then call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll tell you all the details about this spectacular home. But look at this huge sitting area here that you can come and lounge and relax with friends and talk about all the incredible adventures you've had. Maybe you did some surfing or kayaking, snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing. It's all done right here. We look forward to seeing you here soon too. And look at that coconut right here. Throw some Fijian rum in there and you are all set. We hope you're having a beautiful day. We look forward to seeing you here in Fiji soon. Manaka.